Today is the last day of the first half of 2022. Let's look back at the 6 turbulent months we just lived through. First, GDP shrunk in the first quarter by 1.4%, and it is expected to rise by 1.2% in Q2. The official Q2 numbers will be released by end of July. Most likely, we're not in recession, at least not yet. Many economists predict that we will get into recession territory by the end of the year. Inflation was running above 8% for the last 3 months. California is not known for low cost of living, but gas prices at $6-7 per gallon at the corner gas station are shocking for most of us. Declining stock market made many people cautious of the things to come. Nasdaq lost roughly 30% of its value since the beginning of the year. Elon Musk came out with an extremely negative economic outlook and said that Tesla needs to reduce their workforce by 10%. Some Bay Area companies started laying people off already. And real estate market was not immune from instabilities in these uncertain times. We were getting mixed signals. On one hand, interest rates steadily climbed from low 3% range at the beginning of 2022 to mid 5% range in June for a jumbo 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. It made Bay Area homes even less affordable. On another hand, despite the interest rate increases, home prices here in the Bay Area skyrocketed at the beginning of the year, and then kept steady during the spring months, following the typical seasonal trends. Multiple offers continued to drive the market, and average overbid stayed well above 10%. Bidding wars combined with the high interest rates and declining stock market made buying homes more difficult than ever. Declining stock market forced many buyers to consider low down payment programs, and higher interest rates made adjustable rate mortgages more attractive. ARMs, having lower interest rates, helped make monthly payments more manageable. These days, everyone is talking about a real estate market shift, and June numbers showed the first concrete signs of market changing its direction. It is difficult to recognize these changes because, short-term, they're mixed with normal seasonal market trends. What jumped at me looking at June stats is that the number of home sales decreased by 40% compared to June of 2021. At the same time, number of homes available for sale increased by 33% year over year. The inventory increased to 1.8 months, the highest level since May of 2020, right at the beginning of the pandemic. June home sale price growth slowed down. Median home sale price in June increased by only 4.4% year over year. Compare that with 18% year-over-year increase in February, around 16% increase in March and April, and 12.1% increase in May. So far, year-to-date 2022, home prices grew by 11.7% compared with 2021. What should we expect to happen in the second half of this year? What should we look forward to? The interest rates are expected to stabilize. Now everyone is expecting the Feds to increase the rate again by 0.75% in July, and it is already factored into the mortgage interest rates. Home prices will follow the typical seasonal trends, declining from the spring high water mark during the summer and then restarting the growth right after the Labor Day, when most people are back home from their vacations and kids are back at school. Despite the slowing market, the median home sale price for the whole 2022 will end up higher than in 2021, but it will be a single-digit increase. Bay Area housing market will move closer to a balanced state, with inventory growing close to 3 months by the end of the year. 3 months inventory considered to be a balanced market here in the Bay Area. Most desirable homes will still sell in a matter of days, while the rest will have to stay on the market a bit longer. The shortage of housing will continue to make it difficult for the buyers to find the right home. Buyers will have to be flexible and prioritize their requirements in order to achieve the right balance between the purchase price and the type of home they're buying. This is Michael Talis with the Talis team. At the end, I want to wish you a happy, relaxing July 4th. Take a break from the relentless news and have a great long weekend. Till next time.